Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 140/85, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select the top plane, create one center rectangle. One 40, /85, finish sketch 15 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch. Here you can see there is a circular part, dia 56 mm, inner dia 30 mm, length is 36 mm, offset 50 mm is there. Height from the base is 100 mm. So finish sketch, extrude. So one direction 12 plus 12, 24 mm. So this direction we want 12 mm. Select the direction to 24 mm. Select this surface again, sketch. Give the dimension. This height is 58 mm. So give the tangent condition here. Select this and this, give the vertical condition. Convert entities, select this circle, OK. Trim entities. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 12 mm. There is a fillet, (20 mm) and R10 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Create two circles. Give the dimension. Outer dia 40, inner dia 18, length is 12 mm. So now all the add material features are completed. Next I will go to remove material features. You can see there is a cutout is there, that dimension is 3 mm height, both side 18 mm. For that select this surface, sketch, create one rectangle, give the dimensions 3 mm, 18, 18. So finish sketch, extruded cut. Here we can select through hole. Next there is a 2 holes, diameter 20. This feature we can do in 2 methods. You can do with hole wizard and you can do with extruded cut also. I will go with hole wizard. Select the simple hole here. Drill size you can select here. The diameter of the drill is 20 mm. Here we need through hole. Select the position, select this surface, place the drill. You can give the dimension now. 30, pitch is 80 mm. Here to here 30. Here to here also 30. Pitch is 80 mm. So give the vertical constraint. So sketch is fully defined. Finish. Control 7 for ISO view. So you can compare friends, all the features are added. Now you can assign the material. You can select here as per your requirements. So I will go with steel. In the steel I will go with polished steel. Select edit appearances. You can assign the color here. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.